Hey guys, today we're making my Italian chicken burger. We're going to be using chicken breast, pesto, mozzarella, kale and fresh tomato on a toasted brioche bun. So let's start off by removing the fillet piece off of our chicken breast. This is easily done by using your knife to gently run down the connective tissue on one side of the chicken breast. Then, by slicing into the breast, remove a second fillet. This time we're actually removing part of the breast itself to create our own second fillet piece. We're doing this because otherwise the whole breast will be too big for the burger bun. I'm all for big burgers, but I also want this thing to remain a burger instead of falling apart in my hands while I attempt to take my first bite. What you should be left with is 2 small fillets of chicken and 1 large breast piece. We're going to be using this large piece for our burger, so go ahead and give that a firm but gentle tap using any flat, heavy utensil you have to hand. I'm using my trusted rolling pin, however a bottle of wine or the back of a saucepan work just as well. Next we dive straight in with our seasoning. A generous pinch of salt and pepper, some granulated garlic and your favourite dried Italian herbs. Coat with olive oil and give everything a good rub. Each and every part of the chicken breast should be coated in this simple yet delicious Italian marinade. Next, let's toast our sliced brioche buns. We toast our buns for taste and texture, but also so that it's able to stand up to our juicy, rich chicken. Like I mentioned earlier, we don't want a burger that falls apart in our hands. Next, add your marinated chicken to your pan, which has been coated well with some olive oil. And as always, when cooking chicken breast, we keep that heat to a low to medium temperature. This ensures the marinade doesn't burn and that our chicken remains juicy and succulent. After about 3 minutes, it should look like this. If it does, then go ahead and give it a flip. Leave your chicken in the pan for a further 2 minutes before adding a small amount of unsalted butter to the pan. Use a spoon to baste the butter onto the chicken breast. This will create colour, texture and enhance depth in flavour. Keep basting until you're happy that you've developed a nice buttery crust on the chicken. Listen, if you're trying to drop a few pounds, then go ahead and skip this step. The chicken will still be incredibly delicious without the butter. Then top the chicken breast with some shredded mozzarella cheese. At this stage your chicken breast should be cooked, so remove it from the heat and place under a grill for a further minute. We want that cheese to melt and brown slightly. Perfect, that's exactly what we're looking for. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to remove it off the heat and place on my board to rest while I build the rest of my burger. I'm starting with our toasted brioche and some good quality pesto. Add your pesto generously to both sides of the bun, using the back of your spoon to spread. Now the pesto is very rich, so we're going to add some fresh kale for texture. Grab a handful of fresh kale and place onto your board. Squeeze on some fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper and olive oil to create a mini kale salad. The fresh lemon is going to cut through that rich pesto and balance the flavours out for us. Add your kale salad to the base of your bun and top with your cheesy Italian chicken breast. Then slice some fresh tomato and complete the burger. And there you have it. This is my Italian pesto chicken burger. The chicken is juicy, the pesto is rich, the cheese is mild and the tomato is fresh. However, what takes this burger to another level is that fresh lemon on the kale. This one step takes this simple burger from good to outstanding. Like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Juicy Italian chicken burger, absolutely fucking delicious.